We hebben eigenlijk nog. We only have about 3 months until we want the boat to be finished. So the pressure is high.
She was built in the 50s and now reimagined. Welcome to Finding Mira.
So what have we been doing for the past 3 years? We restored the hull with the help of welding students. In the end, we also spray painted the entire hull. The top structure was removed, redesigned, and a new structure was built. On the front of the hull, we'll make a bowsprit for the anchor. The anchor was originally not built into the structure of the boat, but we decided to add a permanent anchor so it's easier to park the boat. And here we've made an indentation in the structure that originally was not there. Originally it was just a flat board. In there we'll add some slats and the name Mira. Maybe we'll also add some lights around it. For the cockpit we decided to make 2 long benches along the sides. The yacht was designed to be a fishing boat in America, so having enough space to cast your fishing rods used to be important. The Mira was a beautiful cruiser, but a very basic one. So we'll update it with a lot of luxury elements. We've implemented a lot of modern devices. The old interior was in a very rough shape, so we decided to completely renew it. Ultimately, the layout hasn't changed much. We'll have a toilet on board. In the end, the Mira will be more like a taxi or tender instead of the weekend cruiser it used to be.